As part of the efforts to pursue peace, the Philippine Marines organized a children's football tournament where players from Mindanao play ball with students from various schools in Metro Manila. Let us hear the report of Jolo Gutierrez.
The best way to achieve peace is through an equally amicable manner. Evidence to this is the Philippine Marine Corps' Football for Peace, which has been running for 4 years. Children aged 7 to 17 are brought to Manila to experience the city life and to know more people apart from the residents of the communities and provinces they live in Mindanao, including Basilan, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, Cotabato, Zamboanga, Misamis Oriental, and Sultan Kudarat. This year, 145 children were given this opportunity.
Ang football ay naturingan namin isang medium para maging pamaraan na makuha namin, mapanalo namin ang kapayapaan sa mga conflict areas.
The program also aims to enhance the children's characters and to mold their potential to become future football players.
Dito naituturo namin at namin sa mga bata kung ano yung tamang disiplina. Yung simpleng-simple lang, paano magpulot ng basura, paano sumunod sa batas, sa rules ng game, paano maging fair, at paano yung teamwork.
Marine coaches also imbibe the value of discipline to the children. A friendly match was held between the kids and the football teams of different schools in Metro Manila. Sulu's Membong team members, Warki and Vince, feel utmost gratitude and excitement after visiting Manila's various landmarks and receiving new pairs of shoes.
First time talaga. Unang-una, hindi naman purpose namin dito na manalo, matalo. Basta makapunta lang kami ng Maynila. Maganda rin dito pero mas maganda dun sa amin kasi nandun ang pamilya namin eh.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa nagbigay sa amin ng sapatos, sa aming lahat.
Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Masaya po.
Bakit?
Kasi may sapatos na kami bago.
Tatakbo ka na?
Oo, makatakbo na ako ng bilis.
This is Jolo Gutierrez for News at 1, Junior Edition.